Taking off and we've got the whole back row to ourselves.
That wasn't. Oh, this is
We made it!
Gonna look.
Woohoo!
A little smaller, but that's okay.
If you couldn't tell by the beach ball pillows, I am back again at Paradise Pier because I'm at Disneyland! I feel like I never really did a proper introduction to this Disneyland trip. Last night at home it started snowing unexpectedly, so we had to gather up all of our stuff really quick, leave at night instead of in the morning. Actually worked out better. But yeah, we just kind of left in a chaotic panic, and now we're here. It all worked out well. It is time to go to Disneyland! It's actually snowing a bunch at home right now, so I am so excited to not see any of that. I think it might be raining. Not sure. It has been confirmed that it is raining. Mom is also putting on her rain jacket. I have never been to California or Disneyland with this kind of weather before, so I'm kind of curious to see what it's like.
Nobody will be there.
At least nobody will be there, and at least it's not snowing like at home. Something funny, I ended the last Disneyland trip in this sweatshirt, and I'm starting this trip in this sweatshirt. It's been a little bit rainy out. That's okay. And no signs. Yep, that's okay. Positivity, like that. No signs of the cats yet. First ride! This clamshell probably looks very familiar from the last time we were here. There is nobody here. As you can see, the hood is off. It has finally stopped raining. I have gotten to finally... What? That's a little better.
My thought is,
What's your thought?
if you're like taking a shitty photo, do I want to waste 10 minutes and have you take another shitty photo?
True. You have a valid point.
I mean,
valid
like,
point.
it's
valid
great.
point.
Listen to the timer myself.
As you can see, the hood is off. It has finally stopped raining, and I'm gonna take out my actual camera, and we are going to Disneyland. We are going straight to the Star Wars Cantina before we do anything else, having a little snack, having a little drink, and then hitting some rides. 100th anniversary celebration. We made it. Walking through the tunnel to Galaxy's Edge. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, lightning legs.
I know, you just want to have it like put away.
That was about a 2-minute wait. Ooh, here we go! Pirates of the Caribbean, and no line for this ride either.
Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later.
Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Ghoulies from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits with your tambourine.
And yet again, a ride with no line. No line for the Jungle Cruise. Boat is pulling up just as we're getting to the end of the line.
It's all part of that symbiotic relationship we're working on. Come on board there, folks. Come on board. No, wait, don't come on board. Come on, excited. Cruise, folks. My name is Eddie. I'll be your skipper for as far as we get. Now, for your increased chances of survival, make sure to stay seated, keeping those hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat, and supervise your children. Where it rains 485 days of the year. Pound Indo-Chinese tiger. Although he's outdoors right now. Some people might tell you that's a Himalayan tiger, because sometimes Himalayan over here, and sometimes Himalayan over there. Do you know that most elephants can grow up to 4 feet, while most humans can only grow 2? Now, Bertha has been in that waterfall for a very long time. You can tell because of all the wrinkles. It's terrible. The gorillas have overtaken the camp, and look what they did to that car! They left the lights on. That's a camel. Some stripy ponies. Some long-necked cheetahs. I don't know what those are. Those must be new. Oh, and would you look at that? Pride of 6, your rock is ready. Now they scramble away from hunger. Then comes asphyxiation. It's a very constricting relationship. Make sure he doesn't get a crush on you. Now, would you look at that? They've got a gramophone. You know, she's always saying I should call more often.
Attention pilots, the rocket ships have initiated landing procedures. Please remain seated.
Get in here. Get on in here.
So this takeoff is taking a really long time.
Oh, what is happening?
Here we go is right. I think there's a reason I've never went on this ride because I feel like you need to be a little kid in between your mother's crotch or you need to be dating somebody and why is it going so fucking fast? One thing about me is I fucking hate spinny rides and rides that drop up and down, and this is like a little bit of both. All while in between my mom's legs. She wanted to go on this ride so bad for some reason.
I don't ever want to go on it again.
Well, the wait time is 2 minutes, so look, we can go on it again. Back to back, yeah. It's not slick back, this is push back. My bangs. It's giving George Washington.
The Astro
Theodore Roosevelt.
Please remain seated until your rocket
Is it over?
I think
all
it
the
is.
arrows to the flight.
Join me and celebrate the Christmas march.
What do you know? Another ride with no lines. Autotopia, just walking on.
The Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town,
There's a king! A human king!
Dun, dun, dun.